Hey, my name is Heritier Kimby. This is my professional growth meter project. So I have a 9 point. The first point I want to talk about is the meetup group name. So the meetup group name is the informal iOS developer, and this is the link, the URL for the group. And below here you can see the screenshot of the meeting taking place. And second point is gonna be the description of the meeting. So the meeting did have a specific title, but it was um, just talking. It was just something about mobile and tech. And the meeting takes place on Zoom on Thursday, March 16 at 7 p.m. And this is the link for the event. So the presenters, there were three presenters, and the main presenters was Ger- Georgie Dagno. She's the CEO and founder of Dag, and she worked as an Android programmer at Intel Corporation from 2013 to 2012 to 2013. She worked also as a for Koshi at Koshi from 2010 to 2011. The next speaker was Josh Homan, and he's an iOS developer at Google in San Jose. And the last speaker was Tyler Taylor. She's a she's a retired cybersecurity, and she also worked for IT for 30 years. She she was a DVA programmer. Now she's currently working on her personal project to build like a mobile app. So what we'll say in the meeting. So the meeting just didn't have like a main topic, but it was just like it seems like a conversation between programmers. They discuss about the topic related to iOS development and mobile technology. The main focus was on iOS development, but the other topic was also related. Related to technology was discussed as well. So they talk about ChatGPT, the bad side and the good side and the bad side of ChatGPT, and they also talk about some safety about and cyber security. So the question I asked, uh, and the people I met Josh Homan, and asked about the challenge he faced as an iOS developer and how he addressed it. And he just said that the biggest challenge was to keep up with the volume of information, and since there's a new language, new programming language every year. So I met also Tyler, and I asked her about the most effective way to pursue a career in cybersecurity, and she just suggests to get a certificate security plus, and and she suggests to stay up to date and consider like getting like a degree on related field. So um, okay. So my impression about the 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 meetup. I think the meetup was interesting because I wanted just to learn about iOS, uh, but I didn't have any any clue about iOS, so I didn't know where to start. And I think this meeting was like a great opportunity for me to learn about iOS. And I think this meetup just helped me to network and learn from experienced professional in my field. And so the knowledge, the insights, and the tips that I get from this meeting will just help me, grow in my career. And then also, I think participating in this meeting will just help me stay informed about the last development and trend in the industry. So, and I will definitely go to the future meeting about for of this group, and I'll also search about other groups, just in order to grow and build my network. Um, so another meeting was the IEEE meeting. So the IEEE meeting was on February 9. So they talk about the organization, and they also talk about some details about the membership. And in addition, they talk about the project they have complete, and of some project they're trying to do. But one of the projects they talk about was the the micro mouse, in which a little robotic mice are trained to move swiftly a maze. So you can see the picture here, the screenshot of the this meeting. So um, the question about the stack, I choose the question about handling file, because this question is related of my one of my courses I'm taking, the data structure and data structure algorithm. So the we are required in one of the assignments to read from the file line by line. And I think like this question just helped me to solve my assignment. And I think Stack Overflow for me was the best place to look for anytime I want to solve the a question. And so you can see here, this is the question, and this is the answer. And I think so. The last point about the GitHub account. So the GitHub account is just a web-based platform used by developers for version control, code repository management. So it's a popular platform for software development and projects. So it offers social network features. So as you can see here, this is my account, Eric Boy 89, and this is my repository, and this is some of the projects I have in my GitHub. So thank you